My name is Viharaa Jayasinghe, and in this video I will be discussing the question set 26 of DBMS question set day 6. So once again I am using the same database of question set 16 and also the same data of question set 18. So let's go to our PDF, question set 16, question set 26. The first question, find the sum. Sum means sum. We have to use the keyword sum. Find the sum of the marks obtained by Amanda Moses obtained marks Amanda Moses for all subjects in the first term. We need the term table, the student exam mark record table, and that's all actually. Only two tables this time. Three tables. We need to get the student table as well so we can access the specific student's name. So three tables this time. Let's type our query. So this would be our first query. And firstly, we have joined the student table with the student exam mark award table. We did this so we can access the marks obtained by that student. Then we have joined the exam term table. I have executed the query and this is what I received, 265. Let's see the next question. So the second question, what is the sum of all of the marks obtained by Nisansala Vikramanayaka, son, all subjects, and she is a student who is studying class B, and we need to find the marks that are relevant to the second term. So let's type the code relevant to that question as well. This will be our second query. Uh, as we did previously, we had to find the mark, I mean the sum of the marks. So we use the keyword sum. And then we have joined the student table and the student exam mark table. Then to that table we have joined the exam term table. Then lastly to that table we have joined the class table. And this will be our condition. Let's execute our query. So as you can see, this is what we received, 248.56. That would be our answer. Let's see the next question. Question number 3. The find the sum, which means we have used that keyword once again. Sum. Uh, Sum of marks obtained by Sajitra Vikramasinghe. This time they have given the student index number, so we don't have used the student table. Uh, so let's continue in marks, mathematics and science in the first step. Let's type the relevant query for that as well. Should be our third query. Once again, we are finding the sum, and in this case, we have joined the student exam mark award table with the exam term table, and to that table, we have lastly joined the subject table, and we have used this as our condition um, because they have mentioned the student index number. Yes, student index number. We used it and the name and the term name first term, the term name first term, and they have mentioned two subjects, so I have used the in keyword. I will show you the answer that I have received, 101.74. Let's see the last question, the fourth question. Find the sum. Once again, we have used the keyword sum. Sum of marks obtained by all students of the class 11B in the subject of mathematics in the second term examination. Let's type the last query as well. and this is our last query, the fourth query. As we did in the last three questions, we used the keyword sum to get the sum of all marks. We have joined the student exam mark record table with the exam term table, so we can access the second term marks. And then we have joined the subject table to to filter the mathematics marks. And then we have joined the student table as it is the one that contains the class IDs. So I have used it, and then I have joined the class table. Moving on, this will be our condition, and I will show my answer. The answer is 301.06. So that would be the end of the question set discussion of question set 26 as well. And thank you.